Mummy, can you please help me? I've got all these lollies and lolly bags, and I need to share them for my party that is coming up.
Oh, darling, that's easy. I'll show you how to do it. The most important thing to remember is to make it fair. Let's count your lollies. Shall we do it together?
Oh, okay.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Good counting, darling. So we've got 12 lollies. How many lolly bags do you have?
I have 3.
Okay, so we have to make sure we put the same amount in each one. The easiest way to do it is one at a time. I'll show you the first one.
Okay.
1 here, 1 here, and 1 here.
Oh, that doesn't look too hard. Can I have a go?
Of course.
1 here, 1 here, and 1 over here.
Wonderful. I'll do the next one. 1 here, 1 here, and 1 here.
And I'll do the last. 1 over there, 1 in the middle, and 1 over here.
Excellent, darling. Now we have to check that everybody has the same amount in their lolly bag. Can you check how many Jimmy has?
Okay. He has 1 here, and 2, 3, 4. 4.
Good. How many does Simon have in his?
He's got 1, 2, 3. He's got 4 as well.
Good. It's looking fair so far. And what about Peter?
Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4. He's got 4 as well.
Oh, it looks like we've done a good job here. So we had 12 lollies to start with and 3 lolly bags. And how many did they get in each lolly bag?
4, Mummy. 4.
Well,
so children, you can see here a beautiful apple tree, and we are going to distribute these apples in the given 4 boxes as you can see on the screen below. So now let us count the number of apples. Let us count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16 and 17. So now children, what we are going to do is, we are going to divide these 17 apples into 4 boxes as you can see here. 1, 2, 3 and 4. Now let us start. Now first one here we have in the first box. Second apple in the second box. Third one we are going to put in the third box. And fourth one in the fourth box. Let us start again. 1 in the first box. Second in the second box. Next one in the third box. And one more apple in the fourth box. Again we are left with some apples on the tree. So let us pick them one by one. 1 apple in the first box. And the second one, here again we have in the second box. One more apple in the next 2 boxes. Again we can see some more apples on the tree. There are 5 apples and we have 4 boxes. So let us pick them again. 1 here in the first box. Second one in the second box. And again one apple in the next 2 boxes. So students, here we have divided the 17 apples in the 4 boxes, but we are left with 1 apple on the tray. So each box is having 4 apples. First box is having 4 apples. The second box is again having 1, 2, 3 and 4 apples. The next one is having 4 apples. And the last one is also having 4 apples. So children, when we divide 17 apples into 4 equal parts in 4 boxes, we are left with one apple, which is called our remainder, and the 4 apples in each of the boxes is our quotient. Students, to understand the concept of sharing, that is division, in a better way, I have taken one exciting example, and that is we are going to work with the marbles. Yeah, so here in this bowl, I have taken 20 marbles. I have counted them properly and kept in this bowl. And now what I am going to do is, I will divide these marbles in 4 equal groups. 1, 2, 3 and 4. And now what will I do is, I will take one marble at a time. I have to pick one marble and then put in this 4 groups. 1, 2, 3 and 4. Now one marble you can see in each group. Now I have some more because I have to distribute 20 marbles. So 1, 2, 3 and 4. Again we are left with more marbles. I have to finish all the marbles. So I'll continue putting one marble in each group till I finish with my marbles. Now again 4 are left with me. So now 1, 2, 3 and 4. So can you see here any marble? No. All the marbles are used up. So we are not left with any remainder. Again I am repeating my concept that I am not left with any marble in the bowl, and so my remainder is 0. And now count the number of marbles in each group. The first group has 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 marbles. The second group has 3 plus 2, 5 marbles. Here also we have number of marbles 5, and in the fourth group also we have 5 number of marbles. So each group has 5 number of marbles. So children, when I divide 20 number of marbles in 4 equal groups, that is 20 divided by 4, I get my answer 5. I get my quotient 5. Now students, the same number of marbles, that is 20 marbles, I am going to divide them into 5 equal groups. Here we have the 5th group. So now these marbles, I'll pick one from each group. One from the first one and I'll put in the group. Then one from the second group I'll put here, and one from here and I'll put in the 5th group, and one from this group. So now children, you can see no marble is left here on the side, and I have divided 20 marbles in 5 equal groups. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And each group is having 4 marbles. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then 4 here, 4 in this group, 4 in this group, and 4 in the last one. So children, what is our concept? That when I divide 20 marbles into 5 equal groups, that is 20 divided by 5, my answer is 4, the number of marbles in one group. So I can say that my quotient is 4. Okay, and the remainder is again 0 over here. Students, now again the same number of marbles, 20 marbles I am taking, and I am going to divide them into 6 equal groups. So now let us start. I'll pick the marbles from here and start putting one marble in each group. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. I am left with some more marbles here because I have total 20 marbles. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. I have given one marble to each group. Now again I am left with some of the marbles. So again we will start 1 over here, 1 here, 1 in this group and here the last one. Now you can see 3 marbles in each group. Can you see here? 3 marbles in each group. But children, I am left with 2 marbles which could not be given in any group because number of groups are 6 and number of marbles left here are 2. So as you can see here, 3 marbles are there in one group. So children, our quotient here is 3 and the remainder is 2 marbles. So when I solve the question, 20 divided by 6, my quotient is 3 and the remainder is 2.